Hi friends, welcome to our channel.
Yeah, this is soap.
So
This is soap?
if you are
Yeah.
just new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Share it with your friends.
So Team Loves is here, and this is the first time that we actually experience snow here in Madrid. So
Yeah, they are.
we would like to share it with you guys. So can we go in here? Inside?
Go.
So we're going to the park.
And Daddy cannot catch me.
So as you can see,
And then,
now it's so white.
I'm gonna fall in here. Why?
Hi Marion!
ito Mario.
Hi! Hi!
I get stuck over
Hello! So are you enjoying snow? Yes? See? See? See?
We can find a stick in here and then we
So
can make
Teresa is there. So we would like to
This is a rock.
share it with you guys. So 11 years guys being here in Spain. This is the only first time that we actually experience this kind of, you know, fake snow. Like it's like until on my like
We forgot to get the parrot.
12 inches, something like that. But so ayun na guys, ang snow.
Look, that's great.
So this is like 3 days, no? 3 days snowing,
Yeah.
and all the transportation is suspended, was suspended. And so kung yung pandemic hindi na pahinto yung mga restaurants,
Uy! What happened?
yung mga
It fell. It fell. Yeah.
Marion, you can
Huh?
Water.
so
Yeah, but it's
we can
hard.
we can make a snowman now.
Yeah,
So-
but it's hard.
Yes, nice.
And we don't have parrot and a pig and then
We have carrots.
what did we not get?
I have here in my pocket.
You have for the eye.
So maybe here.
Teresa. Careful, Teresa. Maganda dun sa rotonda tayo eh. Panigurado maraming tao dun eh.
So let him go in
Mm.
here. Wow! Show in the camera, Benga. Wow!
Yay! Again.
Again.
Yay!
Aki, Marion.
Hala! Hala!
Mommy, you cannot catch me.
Careful. Ba't nagda-drive pa rin?
So ayun guys.
Look at her, mommy.
We need to make a snowman.
So,
So come here. Let's make snowman.
What happened? Oh, cold na yun.
Ben, Marian, Ben, Ben.
Anong mamba yan?
Marian.
So this is our snowman. So super lamig, hindi ko kinakaya. Grabe. So this is not the first time that I experience the snow because I work at Denmark, which is a Scandinavian country, and that's actually normal in there with the thick snow. But here in Spain, they are actually experiencing this one once in a blue moon. So it's like decades before they actually experience this one. The last time was like 10 years ago. I'm not really sure, but they told me those Filipinos who stayed here for a long time already. So it's not actually, that's why they really enjoy. So unlike in Denmark or Norway or Sweden or other countries that really has snow, they really experience that one. So here they really enjoy, the Madrileños. I don't know. So that's it, guys. And then, of course, here in Spain, it will really paralyze the normal activity of Spain because they are not prepared. They were not prepared for this kind of snowing. Unlike in Denmark, they really, in Denmark or in Norway, they always have the bulldozer in the streets. So where are they? I think they are there. So ayan, naghahanapan na kami. Terit, come here in the side, at the side. So, pero hindi siya malamig. Actually, guys, it's not really cold when there's still snow. If the time of melting of the snow, that's the time that it's gonna be very cold. But if you're in just on top of the nieve, of the ice or the snow.
But in the
Not
sun,
really.
it's very cold.
No, but yes, if you're gonna touch the snow, it will be very cold. But when you're just walking, it's not really that cold. So I don't know. I think Daddy went there. So Daddy's there. I don't know. And unfortunately, this is snowing had some bad effects because Habi had an accident because of this snowing, because he was trying to close the sombrilla, you know, the big umbrella for the terrace for those restaurantes, for the restaurants, and then it suddenly fall, the big metal
There's
on-
a scarf, mommy.
on his head. So around 12,
There's a scarf.
no, 1 a.m. in the morning, he went home and he told me that he has to go to the urgencia. So poor Habi, because he has to, yes, because they already, but I don't know, where is he? What is this? So ayun guys. So ayan lang, pina-experience ko lang. So I'm gonna be including some photos that you really enjoy the snow or the winter in Madrid. Again, Marion. Marion, go. Again, Marion, again. Go, Marion. Kasi dun siya dumaan sa kabila. Marion, again. Uno. Oh my God. He loves the snow. Allah. Yay!
Naya, do you want to dance?
Yes.
So we are here in Bilbao, La Rotonda de Bilbao, Glorieta de Bilbao. So as you can see,
Please bring the color
so
pink.
our place is in there, where there is a party, and that's the metro, and that's one is going in Gran Via. So maybe we could go home now. They already experienced. So would you like to say goodbye?
Bye.
You have to say goodbye.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Team loves ya!
See you next vlog. Bye.
So hi guys, ito na ngayon ang aftershock ng ice or ng snow. Kita. Ay, tarda. So, ayan, as you can see, after a week, this is still the effect